Just warm the car. Just start.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, rubber.
obviously. Done. Finished.
Done.
So, we have fun for our side though. That's we need you to try. So,
Thank you, Katie.
okay, anyway. Okay, so we're going to hand it off to Jonathan.
Actually, we're handing it off to Sarah.
Oh.
And while we do that, we're going to go through our maximum board rows. It's obviously not 14.
I've asked to show people in the audience to put the names in the hat. Try to give us some ideas.
Jonathan!
Yeah? Megan?
I just really like you.
Okay, Megan. I'm on stage.
I just want to be on stage too. I just want to stay next to my personality.
Alright, the Professor Xavier School for Young Youth. Fred Horn School, Fred Terry, very creative. The Anti-Mr. Carlson School. The Donovan Ivor School of Excellence. Donovan Ivor School of Excellence, Megan May. Are you talking Evan and Megan?
No! Why would I do that?
Well, we're the same clothes, Megan.
No, we're not. Everyone has a sweatshirt.
Fine. Take off the sweater, Megan.
Why?
Take off the sweater, Megan.
Why?
Take it off. Megan, you're wearing referee jerseys.
Lots of people have referee jerseys.
Megan, one other person you know is referee jerseys.
Bob!
Bob who?
Bob the referee!
This is ridiculous, Megan. You just talk to everything I do.
No, I don't.
Okay, so now that means here a little scary. Obviously, now we don't want any horrible names. So, we want you guys to think about what we are and who we're thinking about identity and who we are and who we have to represent. Because this is going to be something that's going to be around for a long time. And we're going to try to make it good because this is our one chance to get it right. Okay, so Donovan and Megan listed out some kind of ridiculous names. We came up with a ton of other ones actually. Some of them are these two, the Herbert Hoover Academy. You know, so a lot of schools are named after like a famous person from their town. Well, how many of you actually even know who Herbert Hoover was? Okay, that's good. Just forget about that. Or the Harvard School. That was another name that